Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we've got a massive earnings coming up for Rivian very soon. We made a similar video kind of going on what we can expect to happen than that was posted last week. But now we have a better idea, which is actually some pretty good news that we've just received that could potentially um, make us a lot of money in Rivian stock. So the earnings are coming up now in 3 days, and as we can see from the screenshot from Option Slam, in 3 days. Now it does look like the implied move weekly has fallen slightly to 17% or about 17% from 20%. That could be good, could be bad, doesn't really matter that much to be honest, because a 20% move up would be great. But what we did see over these last couple of days, which was great, is Rivian coming back into the consolidation channel where we initially started buying it at. Which means if we go down here, I put a screenshot of my current position, that we are pretty close to being profitable on these shares. So, as you guys can see, I did sell quite a few of my shares. I was at about 150, but since I had some nice buys down here, I ended up selling quite a few. Now we're at 118. So we still have a decent amount of money in Rivian, but I might add some more depending on what we see before earnings. Now, here is the good news we've received. Besides it going back into the consolidation channel, they did receive a tax incentive for up to $827 million, which could really help Rivian. And it's not a straight up loan, it's nothing like that. It's kind of a pact, a deal that they have to get done on their end, which is providing over 500 new jobs and expanding their Illinois facility, and then they will be eligible, for up to 827 million. So it's not as straight up as the headlines make it seem, but it's still absolutely amazing for the stock because the reason it's looking like this recently, which is this terrible downtrend, is because they are just burning through money. So with this massive incentive, we could definitely see a rise in stock price. Now, the exciting news, at least, is that Rivian is expecting a nice, or at least analysts are expecting a nice move up in terms of EPS. So previously, they reported about negative 1.35, which we can see down here. And we are expecting a nice move up, still nowhere near where we want to be, which is, break even or profiting as a company, but it's a move in the right direction. And at least for the short term, that is definitely what we want to see. So I think with this nice move back into consolidation, so far we have seen it, act as support. As long as it stays in consolidation, then we can definitely expect it to go higher. As soon as it breaks down in here, below consolidation, all of a sudden we have to be worried about, it having another big move down like this, where it went all the way from $10 to $8 in just, a couple days, which was pretty scary. So that's the update with Rivian. Nothing absolutely crazy that really changes things because of course we haven't had that earnings announcement yet. So really in 3 days is when we find out kind of the whole situation with Rivian. So I'll make another video then kind of giving you guys an update once those earnings release. But for now, good luck to everyone in the stock. And be looking out for a couple of my videos that I'll be posting later on the week because we do have some upcoming options trades to add to the portfolio. So with that being said, thank you guys very much for watching. We're pretty close to our 700 subscriber goal by the end of this year, so I'd appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. And then our next goal is, of course, 1,000 subscribers so we can get monetized. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.